Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can import your video into CapCut apps in or the Windows version or iOS version. Let's get started by open the CapCut application on your a laptop on your PC. It's very easy. This is for beginner. You can import this by tap this import button. Support videos, audios or photos. You can click it and tries to search the video. This is for example, just tap or just click the video that you want to make a project. Tap to open. This is the video. This is the one way. There is the other way to import your video by drag the document or drag the file. You can search the video, you can search the file. Let's drag it to your CapCut app and done. This is the another video you can combine into the one project here. It is very easy. Please give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below.